Right, so this is a pallet breaker, or a pallet wrecker. If you're thinking about breaking up pallets for home projects and things, this is probably the fastest way to dismantle them, or if you're just looking to get rid of them if they're in the way, this is the quickest way to take them apart. So this is basically a long metal bar which gives you leverage, and it will turn a pallet like this into a pile of usable slats. And the way it works is by you get these two prongs and you put them inside underneath one of the slats, and then you lever back. So you use this handle and the leverage and you pull back, and it will pop the pallet slat out of the skid underneath. So you can pick these up on eBay, Amazon, Google, fairly cheap, between about £20 to £30. And I'll just show you using it right now. So for the next job, you're going to remove the nails from the pallet wood. You'll need a hammer, and you can use a range of things. Let me just show you. A pry bar like this one, and a small crowbar. For smaller nails you can use one of these, which just pops them out. Okay, so let's get the nails out of this piece of wood. So you want to put it on a surface where there's a bit of a gap, so some thicker pieces of wood like this. So say this nail here, let's get started. Okay, just take your hammer, there's the nail through, turn the wood around, and then you can use your little crowbar to just lever that out. You can use this, the other one, the pry bar, which is useful as well. It's just not quite as big, the one that I've got. You can also use the claw on the end of your hammer. So here's another two. Just going to tap those out.